I'm here in front of 24 East Walnut Street in Massapequa. We're going to be bringing this to market for rent. It's Amityville Schools. We've got a dead end here, which lately I've had a lot of dead end listings, and it's really just great. I'm not going to walk in the street like I normally do. To highlight it, you get the idea. But we've got 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths, and just a great quiet property that happens to also be very close to Sunrise Highway, all the shops, Long Island Railroad, you name it. You don't want to miss it, and we're going to run through the house now.